Hi guys, so I wanted to show you real quick a short video about how you can find the topics I mentioned in the post. The topics that you can use to name your Pinterest boards after. And you'll see when I show you why it's such a good idea to do that. So all you have to do is go right here to that address, pinterest.com/categories, and you'll get that screen with the squares that has all of Pinterest categories in them. Now, the tricky part is that, as you probably know by now, Pinterest have a very select few categories, and it's sometimes hard to find one to match your niche or your blog post. But you can try, and when you can find one, then it's a great idea to use it. So if you go down to, let's say you're a fashion blogger, and you go down all the way to um, women fashion, that's a category. And what you can do is follow the women fashion category. You can click follow, and then you see it has that specific category has 10.7 million followers, which is not bad. But now if you scroll down, you can find topics related to women fashion, and you can choose, if it relates to your subject, one of those topics to name your board after. And let's see what happens when I click on hair and beauty, for example. And you can see it has 26.2 million followers. So when you follow that topic and you name your board after it, if you have a board relating to hair and beauty, of course, then you are raising your chances of being exposed to 26.2 million followers, which is kind of neat, and it's the kind of audience you don't want to miss out on. So that's really cool. And when I do use this little trick and I name my boards after a topic, if I can find one that relates to my Pinterest boards, then I can sense a spike in the activity pretty much right away. So it's worth trying. I really liked that tip that I found just a while back, and I've used it a couple of times now, and it does work, you can tell. So I hope you found that helpful, and that's it for now.